Hanap-hanap ka ba? Nasaan yun? Nasaan yun? Mamamatay ka agad pag gano'n eh. So somebody has to train them. So maganda nga mag-merge yung organization. Sa bawat isang platoon o sa bawat isang team, 7-man team o 9-man team o 11-man na squad pare, may isang veterano, yung pinaka sergeant nila. Di ba? A retired corporal, a retired sergeant can be the tawag dito, the squad leader. And then yung ano nila, yung kanilang platoon sergeant can be a veteran na master sergeant, the lieutenant na platoon leader nila is a retired na chief master sergeant na promote to the next level, di ba? So you have NCO yun nandoon sa ground level. Wow, ang galing. Very important. And then lalagay mo